So today, you'll be learning how to scan a QR code using the REDnote app. So the first step is to launch REDnote, whether it's on your phone or on your tablet. And then once you've done that, you then want to navigate to your profile. To do that, tap on the option Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then from here, you should be brought to your profile. In your profile, in order for you to access the scan QR code option, you should see it right there next to the share icon. So when you see it, you just want to tap on it. And then if it's your first time, you'll be asked to give REDnote permission to your camera. You need to allow it so that you can actually be able to scan the QR code. So from here, you then want to bring out your QR code, ensure that it's in a well-lit place. And then you want to hover this QR code scanner over that specific link. So now this link actually leads to the website for our channel. But if it's a link that is giving you an account for somebody else, then it'll also direct you to that specific account. But since this is opening up a link to a different platform, then all I can do is just simply copy that link, and then I can open my preferred browser. Then I can just type in copy paste that specific link, like that, and then search, and then it will still bring me to the exact same place that I expected to land, which is the website for our channel. So that's how you can scan QR codes using the REDnote app. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.